In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up sales automations on Apollo.io. If you're new to the platform and looking to automate your sales process, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and know-how to get started efficiently. Apollo.io is a powerful sales automation tool that helps businesses streamline their outreach, follow-ups, and customer management all in one place. Whether you're just starting or are already familiar with automation tools, this guide will walk you through setting up your sales automation from scratch quickly and easily. First, let's dive into the basics of Apollo.io. After you log in, head to the dashboard where you'll find the main menu with different features such as prospecting, sequences, and analytics. The automation we're focusing on is under sequences. This is where you'll set up your outreach campaigns. Start by creating a new sequence. Click the Create Sequence button and you'll be prompted to give it a name. This could be something simple like Outreach Campaign 1 or more specific based on your target audience. Keep it descriptive for easy tracking later. Once you've named your sequence, Apollo.io lets you choose the steps of your campaign. These steps include the type of outreach you want to perform, like sending emails, calling prospects, or even LinkedIn messages. Let's focus on the email automation first. Select email and then write your email template. Apollo provides a variety of customizable templates, or you can write one from scratch. Here's a pro tip. Keep your emails short and sweet. Personalized messages always perform better, so include placeholders that pull in the prospect's name or company information. Apollo.io makes this easy with merge tags, so each message feels personal to the recipient. Now that your email is ready, you can set up follow-up actions. For instance, if someone doesn't respond after the first email, Apollo.io can automatically send a reminder email after a set number of days. You can schedule these follow-ups at specific intervals like 2 days, 5 days, or even 7 days apart. Whatever works for your sales strategy. The next key element is adding prospects to your sequence. You can manually upload leads or use Apollo.io's database to find and add leads that match your target demographic. Once you've uploaded your leads, Apollo.io will start automating your outreach according to the schedule you've set up. But it doesn't stop there. Apollo.io also tracks the performance of your sequences, letting you know when your emails are opened, clicked, or replied to. You can view these analytics directly in your dashboard, which helps refine your strategy and improve your conversion rates over time. You'll be able to see exactly how your sales automation is performing, making it easier to adjust and optimize. Another feature to keep in mind is Apollo's integration with CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and more. This means you can automatically log the actions taken within your sequences right into your CRM without needing to do it manually, saving you time and ensuring your records stay up to date. If you want to get more advanced, Apollo also supports multi-step sequences. For example, after sending an email, you could add a step to follow up with a phone call or send a LinkedIn message. This kind of multi-touch approach increases the chances of getting a response, so don't hesitate to take advantage of this feature. And if you're unsure where to start or need additional help, Apollo.io has an amazing support team and a variety of tutorials that can walk you through specific aspects of the tool. Before we wrap up, I've got a special offer for you. If you want to try Apollo.io for free and see how sales automations can take your business to the next level, click the first link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive extended free trial with added bonuses to help you get started with no commitment. So that's how you set up sales automations on Apollo.io, a simple, effective way to boost your sales outreach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link below to claim your extended free trial. Happy automating!